What incredible things happen when you suddenly fall into a black hole. An hour before falling into the black hole, you might not have noticed anything unusual around you. Looking down, you find your body being pulled by an invisible force. Half an hour before falling into the black hole, you have successfully approached the edge of the black hole. You will then see a layer of photons, slowly moving along the surface of the black hole, forming a spherical halo on the periphery, which is the black hole's photon sphere. Cherish this last bit of light, because after passing through the dazzling photon sphere, you will be completely engulfed in darkness. 10 minutes before falling into the black hole, you finally realize the terrifying nature of this monster, and desperately want to escape its grasp, only to find it's too late, because you have reached the boundary from which not even light can escape. The event horizon. Once you enter the event horizon, you will have no further connection with this universe. Everything you experience from this point on will be unknown to anyone outside the black hole. 5 minutes before falling into the black hole, you have successfully crossed the event horizon and entered the interior of the black hole. At this point, you can no longer see any light, and you will experience an unprecedented sense of despair within. 1 minute before falling into the black hole, your speed of movement noticeably increases. However, due to the effects of gravitational acceleration, your head and feet will be stretched. After enduring a painful and brief torment, your body will eventually be completely pulled apart. At the moment of falling into the black hole, you may have already lost consciousness, but at this point, all the atoms that make up your body will be compressed to the center of the black hole, at that point of almost infinite density. According to the second law of thermodynamics, your body will not simply disappear. You will become part of the damage within the black hole. However, at some point in the future, the fleeting life will also come to an end. By then, the black hole will evaporate into the outside world in the form of Hawking radiation, and every atom that made up your body will be evenly dispersed throughout the universe, once again becoming a part of the cosmos.